things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning.
After spending a lovely weekend on the beach with my family for Mother's Day, we brought our family trailer back to our house where we could get it all cleaned up. And as the kids played outside and all around the trailer, inside the trailer, everything else, my husband pressure washed all of that salty seawater off the outside of our trailer while I got the inside all ready for our next trip. So as you can see from this right here, it was a bit of a wreck. Things piled up in the bedroom. There's not much room in trailers, so the little bit of room you do have, it's kind of covered in everything. But it wasn't as bad as some of our trips because this trip was only a couple of days. So you can imagine what our trailer looks like after like a week of vacation with our family. It's pretty much trashed.
You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams.
First, I wanted to start in the little pantry area and get all the food that we did not use out of there. And I found this Method cleaner, and it is in the Honeycrisp apple scent. Oh my goodness, this was one of my favorite things that I found from Grove when I very first started ordering from them, and it smells so good, and I was pretty sure I had some more of it. Turns out I put it in the camper, but that's okay because I'm going to steal it out of the camper where I can enjoy it in my house. I have been using disinfectant on everything, and I'm so tired of the smell of disinfectant. I want this good smell, and then I will just use some Lysol over it. Speaking of Lysol, found 2 cans of Lysol in the trailer as well, so I just snagged one of those for the house too.
Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one.
And I'm going to apologize beforehand for all the shakiness of this video and how much my camera moves. My children were running in and out of the trailer, bumping the camera, even knocked the camera over a couple of times. But that is just kind of something you have to deal with being in a travel trailer like this. Every little step moves everything in the trailer, and it wasn't leveled. It was just like in our driveway, just put up, really quickly where I could get in there and clean it while we did have it here. But hopefully y'all can get past all the shakiness of this. Hopefully it doesn't make y'all too sick.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Oh, look at all the laundry. I had about 4 loads of laundry just from this one trip because we used so many blankets and everything was covered in sand. I love the beach, but I hate sand.
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why.
bunks are not very fun to clean. I don't know any other way to clean them but the way I'm doing it right now. Maybe I could have taken the stick off my vacuum and it would have made it a little bit easier to move around, but oh well. And there was smushed Pop-Tart up here, so I had to dig the Pop-Tart out of the cushion. Boom! Gotcha! In there messing with stuff, weren't you, Wyatt? And see how I have the door right here? If you happen to have a travel camper and you have a little bitty bathroom and you feel claustrophobic in there, this is how I open up the bathroom when I am getting ready in there, because I just can't be closed up in this little tiny room. And I hold the door open with these bungee cords that we found. And it's also a nice way just to get the door out of the way when you're cleaning like this too, where you don't have to keep on opening it, because if your trailer's not level, it's going to keep swinging back and forth. So this is just a good little hack.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page
Attack! Have I ever mentioned that we live really close to an airfield? Yeah, when we first moved in here, never even thought about that being an issue. Well, now our kids definitely know what planes look like. I apologize for this shot right here. I realized halfway through washing the dishes that you couldn't even see what I was doing. I was just getting really frustrated with my camera at this point. My kids had broken a part off of my tripod and I was just really frustrated just trying to get it all done. But yeah, I know you can't see me. I'm sorry. I promise I'm washing dishes right off screen right there.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really.
I love that our trailer has this little thing for you to put all of your shoes in as soon as you walk in, but this was so full of sand. I had to vacuum it out for it felt like forever. It was a good 5 minutes of just vacuuming that thing back and forth, back and forth.
So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Tongue hold back my thoughts, but deep inside To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be there.
The last thing I needed to do was to wipe down the floors. I just hand wipe them in the trailer because there's not much floor to begin with. It's easier to do it this way. And then I cleaned all of the glass in the windows, and then I sprayed everything down with Lysol and then took that coveted Lysol into my house for safekeeping. I hope that you enjoyed this clean with me, and I hope that it gave you some motivation to get things done in your house as well. And I will see y'all in the next video. I post every Monday and Friday, so I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.